And we seem to have gotten a little bit of snow here in the last 12 hours, and it seems to be continue to be coming down like hello. I mean, it has gotten to be something else. I mean, look, I just shoveled that, so we got a couple more inches since I shoveled it. We're stuck. Everybody seems to be kind of stuck here. But we did order a pizza, and it will be here in an hour and a half. I am not kidding. Unreal. Got some big, oh goodness. Holy cow. Alright, I'm knee deep. Got a few icicles here at the blizzard baby. So yeah. It is coming down like this for about 10 hours.